Hi everybody, today we're going to be opening up a Woodmin, it's a Galaxy Fujifilm Instax, the Polaroid camera. This is like an accessories kit to go along with it. Primarily includes a case, but it's got some extra stuff too that comes with it, so we're going to open it up and show you everything. This right here are a couple of the filters that go on the front of it. So this is the actual camera. This doesn't come in the package, but we've got this to go along with it. This appears to be some of the stickers, some sticker frames that go with it, which there's supposed to be like 80 of those inside of this, I believe. And then these are actual frames that go for it too. And I think these, yeah, they have a little pop-out thing at the back, so that way you can actually stand them up. Here's a little acrylic L frame, as well as a photo album. And then this is the selfie version. You stick this on the front of it, and then it's got the little mirror, so that way you can see what you're taking a picture of. And this is a hanging picture frame, so there's some ropes in here, this little twine basically, and then these clips. You put the pictures inside, and then you can clip it onto the twine, so you can hang your pictures wherever you want. Kind of a free-floating, picture frame, which is a neat idea. And then this is going to be the case. So first off, let's see how it fits. This is our second attempt. The first one we bought, we actually picked up one. So this is the Instax 7S, and we accidentally picked up a case for an 8, and so it didn't fit. Yeah, and see, this makes a huge difference. This is definitely the right one. Fits the phone just fine. You can clip it there. It's got the little purse-looking things, so that way you can put it on there, and then you're good to go. You're able to leave it in the case and still take pictures. So that way you can touch the picture button here. You can pull this thing out and do what you've got to do. So that's your device there. Let's see if we can do some focus there. There we go. But there you go. I mean, it fits. It's what it's supposed to do. Protect your phone, and then it comes with all this extra fun stuff too. Altogether, this package was only like $25, $26.99. So that's not too bad at all. And then this is actually going to help protect the camera, and also offer some added little fun stuff that can go along with it. This is, a camera for my daughter, so we wanted to go ahead and get this. That helps kind of take care of everything. So pretty simple video. You guys got any questions, comments, make sure to ask. But thanks for watching. Appreciate it. See you guys next time.